लगा है?
अच्छा
अपने शिला देश का
this 3rd November, after a long Diwali break, everything appeared new to us. The freshly painted walls and corridors, the noisy compounds, the crowded canteen, the busy office, the invited classrooms, the silent library, and everything was just amazingly different on the first day. But there was something differently spectacular that made our day. It was our school science and tech lab, refurbished and renovated. It was crafted in such a way that it created a fresh feeling in us. As my friends saw such a magnificent and technically advanced science lab, we were very eager and waited to gain entry into its newly made interiors. The very next day morning, we were fortunate enough to be permitted into it by our science teachers. Everything was new. The innovative charts, the green boards, the models, the shining ceilings, the display boards, etc. It was all fine that made us proud about our school. The unusually orderly arrangement of every detail. For all this, in the past few years, about our school life working in the science lab. All these made us feel and look like professionals. Surprisingly, the performance of all the students has drastically changed for the better of our entry into the science lab. Our lab earlier had old benches, rusted models, broken cupboards, disturbing and dangerous switchboards, etc. Although these had our old and fond memories. Boys making noise, sounds, breaking the test tubes, glass slabs, irritating the teachers. But now, our lab has all the amenities, new and sparkling, fit for performing the scientific experiment with ease. We, the standard of 10 students, consider ourselves extremely lucky that we are able to perform scientific experiments in this new surrounding. Though we are on the verge of leaving our school and to appear for a board exam, on behalf of all the students of my school, I sincerely thank all the authorities and teachers who have helped to happen this. I also wish that the students of lower classes make the most and the maximum use of this newly renovated lab, but take the utmost care of everything in their own way. Thank you.
About a year back, or more than 1.5 years back, first when Partho Bose approached us, because he was aware that company like Johnson Johnson supports many schools all over India for their improvements. I am very happy that up till now we have adopted similar kind of about 85 schools all over India. So your school is one of them. And our focus always on the school improvement was starting from good clean water for the students to drink, good toilets, good classrooms, and finally good science laboratories and libraries. We rarely supported any computer labs because we thought that many students nowadays don't care for the lab and laboratories, but they care more about the computers, which is fundamentally a very risky proposition. When we came for first time, when Partho approached us, Ram, can you think of supporting our school, Alma Mater, which is a very unique school? I should be very proud, or you should be very proud to say that still Bengali culture and Bengali themes are still maintained by this school, which is very rare, and we must be proud of such kind of a cultural roots to be maintained. When he approached us and we came and I visited, I thought that the most neglected or most depleted area was the school science laboratory. If you see today the students who are shining in IIT entrance exams, who are doing very well in science talent exams, who are making excellent progress in research institutes in India or abroad, you will find they will have an excellent schooling, education, and particularly their science lab. I know very well few of my friends who are one of the senior scientists in varieties of labs abroad and in India. Their major education in science took place in the science laboratory and nowhere else. And hence I thought that if Johnson Johnson and personally myself, we would like to support and create more scientists, more bright engineers, we must look after the science laboratories, the science teacher staff. Because the teacher staff or the staff who teaches the student, they also need some kind of upgrading of their knowledge, their talent, the way of teaching, giving more freedom to the students to experiment, to make mistakes, let them be more inquisitive, let them ask more questions. Unless and until that kind of a dialogue is developed, you don't get bright, innovative, creative students and scientists. And I think science lab is one of the places where all these things can happen. With help of teachers, with help of students, that kind of a dialogue, that kind of a discussion, that kind of an intervention is so important. I think we are creating that atmosphere for the schools so that after 10 years or 15 years, all of us should feel proud that some of these great scientists came out of the schools. Okay? Some of the schools which we supported. We supported schools in Madhya Pradesh, in Uttar Pradesh, in Himachal, everywhere, all over India. And we are very proud that many of these students and schools are giving us a feedback saying big thank you to all of you for creating such kind of an atmosphere and ambience. I really am proud that JNJ, I am a part of JNJ. We are going out of our way to support such kind of an initiative, and I am sure few your class teachers and management and principals should look forward in such a way that in coming years there will be at least one or two students who secure national talent science exams which are conducted by all over India. At least one student from this school should come every year. After putting this kind of a investment, if we get one student per year for national talent or science exam which is conducted by BARC and varieties of institute, I think all the teachers and students will feel proud. They will feel motivated. They will feel that we have achieved something in our life. So I wish that the teachers, science teachers and the principal take this as a challenge that next year onwards, 2011 onwards, there should be at least one student from this school who gets a national talent scholarship. Okay, there must be getting more. I don't know, but I'm putting one additional student. Okay, all the best, and I first must thank all the science teachers whom I taught. They interacted, they put a lot of effort, visited other schools, and created something different which will last for 10 to 15 years, and you will get blessings of your students forever. Thanks. An excellent talk to our students.
Ram Vaidya, Director of R&D in the GNGA. Mr. Sunanda Sarvatikari, Mr. Gautam Dev, and Sheila and Dapo, and all the teachers and all the guests of the function. It's a very ecstatic moment for me. I remember when I joined this school, I'm the oldest student amongst all of you, I'm sure, so those who are present here. I joined in 1946 in class 3. And it gives me so much of pleasure I can't express in words. So far as J&J Johnson & Johnson is concerned, it's a buzzword amongst all the corporates. CSR, corporate social responsibility, is an important parameter for corporates to be decided by the corporate world. And I'm sure, keeping this in mind, Mr. Vaidya has helped us to get the grant. I'm sure he had to put a lot of efforts to make it sail through his board of directors in his company. So lots of thanks to him. My congratulations go to the team managers led by Prajot and Partho and Deepak and Bapi. I should come here and see how things are going on. I mean, at the end of the day, I find it's such a beautiful lab, and as Mr. Vaidya has expressed, we must produce at least one student every year, if not more than one, to win the National Science Talent Contest. This is our award desire, and I'm sure all the teachers and more importantly the headmistress will make this happen. And next, I should also thank all the teachers for having contributed towards this particular project. About this project, I'd like to mention one or two things. It is very admirable that there has been no overrun, either in respect of time or funds for this project.
Project would not have seen the light of the day without the assistance from Johnson & Johnson. And of course there has been a lot of financial contributions from the students during the Platinum Jubilee days. This project to one single contractor, and he will be executing the whole thing. And then one of the trustees and our senior Bapita, Mr. Devi Prasad Chaudhary, suggested that why not make use of the old tables which had a solid teak wood. And that is how this project was broken down into 3-4 smaller projects. So that means more contractors, but at the same time we have caused a lot of saving in our project cost. That was one of our experiences of this project. Well, we had an excellent support from our Sunanda Madam, Headmistress Secondary School, Mamta Madam, Headmistress Primary School, teachers, Nair Madam, Shubhra Madam, Acharya Madam, Sumona Madam, and many other teachers and non-teaching staff of the school. Bapida, our senior, took a lot of initiative and involved himself by actually visiting the site, initiating and completing a lot of work in spite of his busy schedule. My project colleagues, Partha Bose and Deepak Mazumdar, have put in a huge amount of efforts for this project, in spite of their being occupied with their respective professions. Trustees of the school have visited this site a number of times during the execution of the project and given us many valuable suggestions. Managing committee of the school has given us the free hand required for executing this kind of a complex project. So we are helpful for that. Ex-students have made a beginning by redeveloping their school. They are slowly but surely returning to their alma mater. I am sure they will undertake a lot of activities for the betterment of the school, making use of all their expertise they have developed in course of their working career. And we hope more and more ex-students will be coming forward and doing a lot of project work, taking a lot of academic work which is required for the school. Even there may be some study too, there may be a lot of lectures, not connected with the books, lot of career counseling. So we have got a lot of things in my mind. Hopefully they will fructify in the future and present in this occasion. Thank you very much.
Welcome the Honorable Trustee to speak. I would like, on behalf of the ex-students and the coordinator, Mrs. Sheila Roy, Mother Sheila Di, to say a few words.
Moment really, I don't know what to speak. So many memories are rushing into my mind. If I start and end, you will be, time will just pass up. I'll just say a few things. We worked in this science. Being a science teacher, I was busy with science classes and maths classes. So we used to spend at least 3-4 people at asbestos sheet. The warmness, the sun was under renovation. I expressed that one day I'll come and teach this. Then Bhakti Chaudhary expressed, yes, I'll also come as a student, not as a teacher. So I don't know, it's just like dreams are coming true. And I wish all the student community make the maximum advantage. Of course, teachers are there to show the path with all modern technology. Let, as Mr. Ram Vaidya has expressed, at least one student should get a national award for science, and teachers have got a challenge here. More than that, students, please students, those who are here, I don't know, only 2 are there. Please pass on this message to your community that at least a year, one student in a year should show some results so that we can be proud of you. Yes, our laboratory has produced some facility to our students and they will go ahead. One student getting scholarship and going ahead is enough for the country, because country will get his benefit, his or her benefit. So at least one is enough. One lamp is enough to remove the darkness. Right? So I don't know, should I end here or should I continue? Really, I'm thrilled. And I think credit goes to first idea. It came from Partho. Am I right? Came from Partho, and he contacted Mr. Ram Vaidya. Everything clicked. All good wishes together. It has to work. So let us wish all the good points which will benefit our students, which will benefit our teachers, and ultimately to the school. And ex-students are very much proud about this, and now they are coming up, they are coming towards alma mater, and I am sure the school will progress in future, in various ways. Thank you.